Hello, Autumn Babes. Today I'm going to take you through a traditional fall bake, a vegan apple pie with special guest blackberries for some added tartness. Feel free to stay classic or go with my twist. Let's get baking. For the pie crust, cube the butter and leave in the fridge to chill or place in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Measure out the water and the vinegar and put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Measure out the flour and salt and let chill in the fridge. Once all of the ingredients are pretty cold, immediately place the flour, salt, and cubed butter into a food processor. Drizzle in the cold water and vinegar and pulse again until the dough just comes together. Lightly flour your work surface, then finish the dough on the table. Form it into a puck, or two. Cover the dough and let it rest in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Flour your surface again, then take the dough and begin to roll it out. To prevent sticking, rotate the dough 90 degrees after every few passes. Once the dough is about 1/8 inch thick, gently roll it onto your rolling pin and then onto your pie tin. Adjust the dough as needed. Gently press the dough against the sides of the pie tin and then trim the edges. Use your scraps or roll out another dough disc and prepare the top crust for your pie. Place the pie tin and the top crust in the fridge while you make the filling. I prefer to use a variety of apples for my filling, so that it doesn't end up too sweet or too tart. You can use whatever you want to use. Core the apples and dice them into 1/2 inch cubes. There's no need to peel them unless you prefer that. Toss them into a pot. Add the zest of 1 medium lemon and its juice as well. Toss in some brown sugar, all-purpose flour, and salt. Then add the cinnamon and nutmeg. Gently mix everything until the apples are evenly coated. Take the pot to the stove on medium heat. Set a timer for 20 minutes and cover with a lid. Every 3 minutes or so, stir the apples to prevent burning at the bottom. Once the 20 minutes are up, turn the stove down to low heat and add the blackberries, and continue to cook for another 5 minutes. Take the filling off the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Then let the apple blackberry filling cool down completely. Once cool, add the filling to your pie crust and top with your crust topping. To help with browning, brush some non-dairy milk onto the top crust. I also sprinkled mine with some maple sugar. Bake the pie at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then take it down to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for another 40 to 45 minutes. Let the pie cool at room temperature for about 3 hours and then serve. It's pretty, isn't it? I almost don't want to cut it, but it's delicious and gives major cozy fall vibes, so I'm definitely going to. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe to my humble little channel. Thank you for your support, and thank you for watching.